Welcome to the Caribbean Vegan Foodie. Today we're gonna make some guilt-free, gluten-free bread. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's go! Whether you're celiac, have a gluten sensitivity, or just want a guilt-free high-protein bread, this one I feel you. So here are the ingredients that you are going to need to make this bread. Some quinoa, millet, some chia seed, some baking soda and baking powder, lemon juice, some salt, some oil, and some optional seed for the topping. That's it. That's all you need to make this bread. Remember to check the description box for the full recipe. This recipe requires a little prep ahead, so wash and soak your millet and quinoa overnight. Also soak your chia seed. After combining all your ingredients in food processor for about 2 minutes, you will notice that most of your seed will remain whole, and that's perfect. Grease your loaf pan and add parchment paper for easy removal. Now for the optional topping, I'm adding some sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, and some flax seed. And this is optional. You don't really have to add these, but it adds an extra flavor and extra crunch. See the people, a bread that you can enjoy. This bread is high in protein. It's egg-free, it's dairy-free, sugar-free, gluten-free. What else you want? This bread is perfect, lightly toast with your favorite topping. Some important tips to keep in mind before making this bread. You will need to rinse and soak your quinoa and millet separately overnight. Also soak your chia seed. You will need a food processor to combine the ingredients and not a blender. This is not your traditional bread. It will be moist on the inside and crispy on the outside, but it's full of flavor. Thank you for watching the Caribbean Vegan Foodie. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Until next time, walk good.